Hey guys, it's Perry here and we are back with another unboxing video. We are going to be unboxing the Orahia Color Light Blackhead Remover, brought to you by Run Deals, which if you didn't already know, Run Deals has a really great app that you can download and get access to a ton of offers on exclusive, really awesome products like the one we're going to open right now. So let's check it out. Ooh, okay. Modern minimalist packaging. And let's see, so it says, physical negative pressure sucks out blackheads, sucking cleanly without damaging the skin. Very important. Cleans the pore, cleans the skin, restore your photosensitive muscles. Nice. Looks very professional, great quality. Okay, nice sleek modern design. It's lightweight, very aesthetically pleasing, and it has all these different ones that you can put on. So it looks like it already comes with one. Yep. So it's easy to screw on and off. Okay, so you just press the power button, no batteries or anything. Let's just see. Okay guys, just in the few seconds that I used it, grabbed a ton of stuff. I don't know if you can see it, and it has all these different settings. So the first one that I had it on was not even the highest that it goes. Oh, and it looks like it's just chargeable. So you never need batteries because you just charge it with a USB. That does come with, it comes with a full set of skin extracting tools. So this is like a full facial kit, guys. This is absolutely awesome. I can't wait to use this whenever I've taken off all my makeup and exfoliated and cleansed and really just get down deep to the skin and get everything out of the pores. So absolutely love this. This is a really, really great product. So shout out to Run Deals, and yeah guys, go get yours. Orahia Color Light Blackhead Remover.